Hello guys, I'm back with another video. This time I will be taking a closer look at the mechanical gaming keyboard from Logitech called G413. In the box you will get your user manual and the keyboard itself. And Logitech has also included optional contour keycaps for the woods and mobile keyset if you need additional grip. So this is a mechanical keyboard, costs only 280 ringgit in Malaysia market. This model comes in with red LED backlighting, which I think it matches the design really well. G413 on the other hand is a full-size mechanical keyboard, so you are getting the standard numpad, which is perfect if you are working with a lot of numbers. On the bottom back of the keyboard, you can see this cool cross pattern together with 5 reasonably big rubber padding and stand-up feet for achieving an angle. Logitech has also included a single USB 2.0 pass-through port at the back for plugging in any USB devices. That is why you will get 2 separate USB connections, one for data bandwidth and the other one for the keyboard connection. Hence, they give you this thick sleeve cable along with it, and also keep in mind that it's a non-removable cable. The build quality along with the design of the G413 is really good. Primarily, they have laid a solid piece of aluminum on top of the plastic chassis, which gives the chassis excellent rigidity, and as you can see, it barely flexes no matter how hard I push. Do note that the edges of the aluminum frame are a bit too sharp, but they don't get in the way when you are typing on the keyboard. Right now, the G413 will come in 2 distinctive colors. The carbon model I have here features a steely black anodized aluminum, and the silver model, but it somewhat would be limited when it comes to purchase it. Moving on to the switches, well, that's the best part of G413. It comes with Logitech's custom designed Roma G switches, which was found in most of the Logitech's mechanical gaming keyboard like Logitech G Pro. Just so you know, the Roma G incorporates lighting right at the center of the stem, and in turn, it outputs a uniform and consistent lighting per key, so it avoids the brightness gradient. My gaming experience with this G413 has achieved my expectation. It's almost like using the other popular gaming keyboards such as Logitech G Pro. Speaking of gaming, the Roma G switches do a great job. They are lighter, so it's easier for movements throughout the gameplay. Last but not least is the driver software, and it's one of the best to work around with. You are greeted with a physical overview of the keyboard, and Logitech has added a function key inversion toggle. It switches the secondary commands like media playback buttons and the brightness control as the primary key. You also get the option to adjust brightness and enable or disable the breathing effect along with its respective speed. There are a lot more you can do using this software. I will put a download link in the description below. So to conclude, the G413 from Logitech, it's an interesting entry into the mid-range gaming mechanical keyboard. It only costs 280 ringgit. You can find the Roma G switches, which is super fast. The build quality is great, and you're getting all the essential of a full-size mechanical keyboard like a numpad and adjustable sliders, which is very cool. This G413 can be found either at Lazada, lelong.my or Amazon. You guys can compare the price as well. I will leave the link below in my description. Well, that concludes this review. Hope you guys enjoy. What do you guys think about this G413? Let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit the like buttons and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.